What is ChatGPT? I'm Justine, and today we're diving into a tool that's changing everything, ChatGPT. It's like having a super smart assistant on your computer or phone. You can ask it anything, write emails, plan trips, brainstorm ideas, or even help with coding. It's not just for techies, it's for everyone. ChatGPT is a large language model from OpenAI, trained on tons of internet text to understand and respond like a human. It doesn't just repeat facts, it generates new helpful responses based on what you ask. The magic? It's versatility. 1 minute it's giving you a recipe, the next it's helping you write a script. For me, it's a lifesaver for brainstorming and beating writer's block. Think of it as a creative partner, not a replacement. Remember, it's powerful but not perfect. Always double-check important info. Ready to see what all the hype is about? Let's get you started with your new AI best friend. It's going to be fun. Ready to try ChatGPT? Getting started is super easy and free. Go to chat.openai.com in your browser. Click sign up and create your account using email, Google, Microsoft, or Apple. You'll enter your name, birth date, and verify your phone number. Once you're in, you'll see a simple interface and a few quick tips from OpenAI. No downloads needed, it all works in your browser. There's a mobile app too, but we'll get to that later. The design is clean so you can focus on chatting, not menus. You're all set to start your first conversation. Take a look around and get ready to type your first message. Let's jump in. Let's tour the ChatGPT screen. The main area is your chat window. This is where your conversation happens. At the bottom there's a message box for typing your prompts. On the left, the sidebar is your command center. Start a new chat for each topic to keep things organized. Your chat history is saved automatically, so you can revisit old conversations anytime. The Explore GPTs link lets you find specialized versions for different tasks. At the bottom of the sidebar, click your account name for settings and subscription info. When ChatGPT replies, you'll see options to copy, give feedback, or regenerate the response. Thumbs up or down helps improve the AI. Regenerate lets you get a new answer if you want something different. That's the basics. Simple, clean, and ready for you to explore. Let's start chatting. Now let's talk to ChatGPT. Just type your message in the box and hit enter. Your message is called a prompt. Good prompts get great results. Be conversational or direct. Ask anything from explain black holes to give me 3 fun facts about sloths. ChatGPT responds in real time and you can ask follow-up questions. It remembers the context in each chat. The more details you give, the better the answer. Write a birthday message for my friend Sarah who loves hiking and her dog Max. If you don't love the first response, hit regenerate or refine your prompt. Guide the conversation. Ask for changes, make it funnier or shorter. Think of ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner, not just a search engine. You're in control. Get creative. So what can you actually do with ChatGPT? The possibilities are endless. It's a writing assistant. Draft emails, cover letters, essays, or creative stories. Need help learning? Ask it to explain tough topics in simple terms. Planning? Get meal plans, workout routines, or travel itineraries tailored to you. Creators can brainstorm video ideas, write scripts, or generate catchy titles. It even helps with coding. Write scripts, debug errors, or learn new languages. For fun, ask for jokes, party themes, puppy names, or trivia quizzes. Use it to explore new ideas, learn, and get inspired. The more you use it, the more you'll discover. ChatGPT is your all-in-one creative and productivity tool. Ready for something advanced? Meet Custom GPTs. Standard ChatGPT is a generalist, but Custom GPTs are specialists, fine-tuned for specific tasks. Find them in the GPT store via the Explore GPTs link. Browse categories like image generation, writing, productivity, and more. Using a Custom GPT is just like chatting with the regular one, but it's focused on your needs. Some even start the conversation with tailored suggestions. With ChatGPT Plus, you can create your own custom GPTs. No coding needed. Build a GPT for your workflow like a YouTube idea generator or recipe assistant. It's like having a personalized AI expert for anything you do. Want to level up? Here are some pro tips. Be specific. Give context, roles, and details in your prompts for better results. Iterate. Treat the first response as a draft and ask for tweaks. Use features like memory to help ChatGPT remember your preferences. Try the voice feature on mobile for hands-free brainstorming. Assign personas. Ask it to act as a coach, poet, or expert for creative responses. Experiment with weird or creative prompts to see what it can do. The more you play, the more you'll learn its strengths and quirks. Don't be afraid to push its limits. ChatGPT is a collaborative tool. Guide it, refine it, and make it work for you. With these tips, you'll be a power user in no time. Let's get creative. Wondering if you should upgrade to ChatGPT Plus? The free version is powerful and perfect for most users. Write, brainstorm, and learn with ease. But there are limits. Slower speeds and an older model during busy times. Plus, subscribers get priority access, faster responses, and the latest, smartest model, GPT-4o. You can upload images, analyze documents, and use advanced features like DALL-E for image generation. Plus, unlocks the full GPT store and lets you create custom GPTs. If you rely on ChatGPT for work or creative projects, the upgrade is a game changer. For casual users, the free version is fantastic. Start there and see how it fits your life. For me, Plus is essential. I use it every day. Try it out and decide what works best for you.